Want to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows PC in 2026? In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest and safest way to install Chrome in just a few minutes. Make sure you follow each step. I'll also show you how to avoid fake download websites. First, open any browser you already have on your PC, like Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. In the search bar, type Google Chrome download and then hit enter. Then open the official site from Google. Click the Download Chrome button. The setup file will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, open the setup file. Click Yes if prompted. Wait for installation to complete. That's it. Chrome will install automatically. After installation, Google Chrome will open automatically. Sign in with your Google account, optional. Even you can set it as your default browser if you want. If Chrome is not installing, check your internet connection or disable antivirus temporarily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.